We'll guide you through how to restore my WhatsApp chats in WhatsApp Business. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they accidentally uninstall WhatsApp Business, change phones, or switch devices and worry about losing important chats. To begin this tutorial, open your phone, and for this example, I am using an Android device. Make sure you already have a WhatsApp Business account on your phone. If you do not have it yet, you can download WhatsApp Business from the Play Store and install it first. Once the application is ready, open WhatsApp Business on your device. Inside the app, there is one chat that I use as an example to demonstrate this process. Next, tap the More Options icon in the top corner of the screen, then tap Settings to open the Settings menu. From the list of available options, tap Chats, then tap Chat Backup to access the backup settings. After that, make sure you are already connected to a Google account because this account will be used to store your backup data. Then you can set the automatic backup option according to your preference. For example, you can choose weekly so your chats are backed up every week. Enable the Include Videos option if you also want to back up videos, but in this example, I choose to disable it. Enable backup using cellular if you do not have a Wi-Fi connection available, and in this case, I choose to enable it. At the top of the screen, there is a backup button which functions as a manual backup option. Tap the backup button, and your chats will be backed up immediately. After the backup is complete, return to the home screen. Then tap and hold the WhatsApp Business application icon. Tap App Info from the menu that appears, then tap Uninstall to remove the application. Uncheck the box if there is one, then tap OK to confirm. Open the Play Store after WhatsApp Business is found, then tap Install and tap Open to launch it again. Tap Agree and Continue, then enter the same phone number as before to log in again, then tap Next. When the Restore Your Chats option appears on the screen, tap Restore. After the restore process is finished, tap Next, and you will see that your WhatsApp chats have been successfully restored.